awesome. Caution, get out the bed when I'm moshing. My friends are a high, yeah, I'm nice and I got them that way.
Alright guys, so day one of the Central Cal trip. Gonna pick us up some oatmeal, get a nice hearty breakfast in, and we're gonna take off. And we're here on day two. Yesterday wasn't fishless, but it was full of small fish. We got our first cabbie. That was like a whole 3 inches. It was insane.
Really cool.
So
Got a little swim surf.
So today we're gonna try to catch Big Mama.
We go back to the same spot with baits this time, low tide.
And try to get in the crevasses and things that we couldn't last time. So hopefully we can make it work. We'll see what happens. I'm interested. But yeah, we're gonna make brekkies. Yeah. So we just pulled up at the cliffs, like the place we initially intended to fish. We just almost knocked this one off the front. Nice and sexy. Candy for anything, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Ah, he's got me! I got him by his only claw. That's so gnarly. Oh! Oh! Good beat! John! Oh my God! I got a fat cabbie on here! It ate it right here! Make sure I don't fall in! Oh my God! Oh my God, if I fall in, it's so worth it. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my God! Oh shit! Dude, he ate it in front of me. I just saw it go, it disappeared, and I was like, oh my God. I told you it looked so... Oh, okay, wait, hold on. What you just saw there was me and my close buddy driving 4 hours each way to connect with either a good-sized rockfish, a cabezon, or a lingcod. And of course, like the last hour of the last day while we were there for about 2 days. I ended up connecting with a solid cabezon, and it was so cool. I watched him come out and eat it and everything. And it was on a swim bait, pulled it up, we were freaking out, screaming like little girls. And then as I got to that point, pick it up on the rocks, my GoPro died. But basically what we did is cooked it up by the rocks, had a good time, enjoyed our trip, the remainder of it at least, and then we got out of there. But it was so much fun, and I'm hoping to film some more stuff like that, get the whole thing, get the best content, you know what I mean, get the whole trip. And hopefully it works out. But if you enjoyed, give it a good like. Give it a comment if you want to see some other stuff. Right now I'm in Colorado. This is where I'm going to school. So I'll be doing fly fishing and stuff like that, especially when it starts to warm up. And then when I go back home in the summertime, I'll be sure to do some trips up north, and I'll be doing some local stuff as well. So if you want to see trout, spotties, largemouth, what else we got? Rockfish, any trips like that, just leave it in the comments and let me know. But otherwise, it was a blast. If I can get like 20 likes on this video, I'll continue to make more. But thank you very much. I almost forgot, but right here is a picture of the Cabezon that we got. It was solid size. I think it was like 17 inches. And just the coolest colors on it. It was like a marble with blue and gray and stuff like that. But great time, great fish. Thanks for watching.